So, today is November 15th, 2025, and this is going to be Thursday's trade breakdown, November 13th, 2025, right? And it might sound a little windy because I forgot my headphones. My microphone in the car, and the car is downstairs. I'm in the 10th floor, but we about to do this video for you guys, the straight breakdown. Even though if it's windy, even though I don't got my mic, we still about to do it. Hopefully you can hear me fine due to like all the noise and the wind. But yeah, we're still out here in Miami, as you can see. Okay, so before I even drew that, right off the back, this Nasdaq on the 5 minute, and right off the back, I'm seeing like I woke up around this time. Let me go back because I came too forward. That's a hurricane. So right off the back, once I woke up, I saw this right, and price was just I was just waiting for a setup. Right here, price created a little demand, a little supply. I mean, and I was just waiting. Price didn't really touch it. As you can see, it kind of almost touched the zone. God damn. Price almost touched the zone, but it didn't. So I didn't take this trade. So I just waited for another clean setup. Boom. Then right here, yo, what's up with all this noise? But hopefully you can hear me fine. Ignore the construction in the background, the fucking plane flying by. Like, bro, there's so much going on right now. So right off the bat, I see this. I see three MAs are above. Prices going down. It's making lower lows and lower highs. So right here, I saw this supply zone. Right, price came up, came down, broke this little low, and pushed in momentum going down, creating the gap. Right, so the gap is like right here. Boom, from the zone. So from here, I was just waiting for price to come back and touch my zone. Price came back, boom, touched the zone. So now, and then right here, price almost broke the zone, but it didn't, and then it rejected with a bearish candle and closed bearish. So right off the back, I was like, okay, next break a candle, I'm getting in for sales. This will be my first target, and then my second target will be this, the low, which is basically I wanted two, so two times my risk, basically, which is what I always go for. And right here, next candle open, boom, and broke the candle low. So I got right here, I'm in the trade for sales on Nasdaq. And right here, I was just waiting, bam. This big candle, well, this candle opened up and it pushed down. So right here, I got out. Like, as soon as my 1-to-1 target got hit, my first target, I took partials. I took half the trade off, and then I moved my stop loss to break even. So now I already secure profits in my pocket, and there's no risk anymore in the trade. So like I said before in the previous videos, it's just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. It's the same strategy, supply and demand, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. 1-to-1 gets hit, close out partials, break even, and then just hold the rest for your second target, right? And then after that, I just waited a little bit longer. Boom, price started doing this, consolidating, almost hitting my 1-to-2 target. And then right here, bam, it smacked my second target, and candle came in close. That's a Lambo. That's a Lambo for you guys. So yeah, price came down, hit my second target, and this next candle opened bearish with crazy momentum, started pushing down. I ended up closing as soon as price broke this low, and then the candle kept going down, and it ended up closing all the way down here. So I would have probably made roughly three times my risk, maybe a little bit, almost three times my risk if I would have stayed holding. But I was satisfied with the wins I made right here. So I just closed out as soon as price hit that low, because price could easily hit the low and it could have made a double bottom and then reverse. So I was like, you know what? I'm out to trade. Anything could happen. Price could continue trending. I'm set with the profits for the day. Um, and yeah, that was that trade that I took on Thursday, and we ended up making roughly $500. So the first position I closed out with 200. That's when my when price hit my 1 to 1, and then when price hit my 1 to 2 target, which is the second target that low, I ended up closing the rest of the position with $321, equaling to $525 for the day. And that was in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in 30 minutes. So $500 in 30 minutes. Can't complain. We used some of that money to come out here to Miami, so we getting right. Trading pay for it. First of all, credit pay for it, and how I pay back that credit, trading. So trading basically pay for it. So the trip is free thanks to trading. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna do another breakdowns next week. There's a lot of noise going on right here. We got construction, we got Lambos passing by, we got freaking airplanes passing by. The wind, because we're in a high rise right now. We're in this freaking balcony. So, a lot going on. I forgot my freaking microphone downstairs in the car. So, but it's all good. We got this video done. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. And yo, the noise just keeps getting louder. So, till next time, guys, I'm gonna see you.